Yes, TGIF, no, TGNF, thank God na Friday, yes, time for us to enjoy our weekend.
TGNF.
Thank God na Friday, I change that to PG now.
Okay.
Thank God it's Friday. Woo-hoo!
All right, today, as today be our comedy day, yeah, you understand? As today be our comedy day, we get plenty things for you to enjoy yourself today. We go get two Kajat guests wey go join us inside the studio. You want to know who they be? They marry or they never marry? You go need to go on body with us because this interview what we go do with them today, you go actually enjoy them well. And also, we get some discussion topics then where all of us they put mouth inside. And as usual, every Friday, now body Kajat day and Wednesday too. So today we get body Kajat for you. So plenty things are going on top the show today. All you need to do now to sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. My name now Uwi Ehigamusoe, and the ladies them go introduce themselves one by each.
Oroka.
Today na Friday. You dey just speak my language. Okay, as you don't start,
you know, come aside where?
Pt.1 Una welcome to Talk.
Yeah.
You go learn one day, no worry.
Okay, but I know if you speak my language also, no vex. I live that baby.
Whatever.
All right, so my people, we don't come back. Yes, so that beautiful Friday afternoon now we dey on top of Talk. Like we tell you before we go the break, waiting we talk, we say we get two Kajat guests. Yes, this one are people who don't they rock the industry. Tay. And me, I want to tap on top of the anointing. That's why I quick come inside studio because Betiana shall not take over from me.
At all.
My people, we get two Kajat people who will help me.
No, don't do that. I'm going to do you.
Yes, sir. We get the people where we say, you don't say whether they do music. They don't tell us, say music matter. You forget about business. We still love each other. And before they enter studio, you get one thing where they did two of them. I can't they gossip with. We are saying we see.
They see them from side.
Oh my God. Today, on top of the show, we get T.W.
Tunde Wunmi obe in the studio.
Oh my goodness.
I told you, so good to have you here. Thanks for coming inside our studio today. Now, first question what I want to ask you now, how una take the make am? Because we know, say, a lot of people, they come together to start music, and they know they see to the end of them. Yes. But for years, una don't stay together as a couple and also as business partners. Waiting be the secrets.
Make we tap on because we said one day for Talk.
Now, Baba God.
Yes.
First and foremost, all praises must go to Baba God.
Amen. Amen.
You know, then, you know, we love each other now. You know,
you don't need to tell us.
So that was
love each other from
27 years of love. We thank God. Say,
27.
yeah, we don't date together since 1988. But we married for 98, that's 17 years ago.
Yes.
And we just thank God. Don't be say life, no, they bring your own challenges, yes, you know. Yeah. But at the end of the day, the love, they always surpass the challenges. And to split, no, the day option for table.
Wow.
So any problem we dey, we go find us, we go solve them. That split matter, we go put that one. That one day, in fact, the cupboard we will lock ourselves. We don't throw away the key.
Throw the key for Paris. That's bridge for Paris. Where they go
we don't throw away the key. So we must find solution, you know. And if we don't even think about the way God don't bless us, we go think of our children. You know, we go think of the people where they look us, where they take us as inspiration. So many
one of them. I seriously one of them.
So many reasons they why God bring us together. Not be just because of me and Wunmi again. It don't turn to a relationship of many people.
So, but question when me want to ask because we know if you see too often now without maybe the red from your shirt on top of our dress or the hair tie or the fashion sense, who actually initiate them?
It don't take. It get one time. We go one show where we want to do one show. Then no say we come together. That time we never married.
Okay.
This one don't take. Well, like 20-something years ago. So I just look at him. I say, come, we'll be like say when we want do our shows, when we go they dress so that people go know say we come together.
Okay.
I be say me, I be man, him be woman. We don't go fit they wear the same things all the time.
Yes.
But we go try and make sure say when they see the color combination, they go be like say these people they did together. But now people don't know.
Yes, so
but we don't they used to them, so we still they do them, they go.
I know you now.
All right, I just want to ask now this particular question because nowadays the rate of divorce, the rate of say you go your way, I go my way, you don't actually increase. Like say tomorrow, not day. And even the single ones like us, they fear to enter inside marriage because when they see people where they look up to enter marriage, then come out or tell you say, marriage.
You know, be like what you
think. You call the fear and say, so may I not enter now. So if you tell me what be the mistake where you feel say. We ladies, they actually, especially ladies or single people, they actually make if they want to decide their partner. And what you supposed to do to keep your home together?
Well, first of all, the reason for the marriage, they're very important. Some ladies, they marry because they feel they are getting old. Pressure they from family members. The mother wants seeing grand pikin. They say all the junior ones don't marry. The mates don't marry. Now only in no day. He want pikin. He wants settle down. You know, so those are reasons why some people then go just the first person will go just come, they go just marry him. Or they see say the person get money. Now only that money then they see go turn to love for their eye. Then go marry him.
Because she said the man must get money.
I know. I see. No matter how you love somebody, my own theory. No matter how you love somebody, once money no, they go turn to hate.
No.
That one, it depends. Because at the end of the day,
it's always good to build. Like now, where God don't bless us. When we first start, nobody say God bless us rich like this. But where we don't day now, nothing where I get. Where I feel they take and do shakara for my wife because I know say no be that reason. Any man will no say now because of money you come meet him. And that same money go they take punish you. No, anything where you do, he go tell you say okay no shopping there. You're not going to London. This one you're not. And so money is now the basis of your relationship.
Yeah, but when somebody get prospect, now you they do that one. That's when you know say this person no lazy. But when he lazy, you know all the designers name off heart. They don't need to look book. But you know they raise finger to do anything.
Yeah, that one different. That one different.
What they talk? We get them plenty when they live inside their cars now. They deceive girls up and down.
True.
You understand? So you go to it.
But the girls, if not the one where girls define, go deceive them now. If not that one they trip, I'm supposed they look inside the person's heart.
So where
so that one a first mistake where people they make that they actually run after money. Which other mistake where singles we actually make in terms of marriage?
Apart from that, like I said, some of them they just quickly marry out of desperation. Secondly, if sometimes I guess maybe they watch too many movies, they read too many love novels, books. So that we think say na so it go be.
Fairy tale.
It is true. It be like I go talk marriage no be for the faint-hearted.
Word.
Now the truth be that. It no be say something where you go just enter the marriage and life continues as usual. That's number one mistake. No, me I cannot sacrifice my career because of one marriage. My career must come first. Think well, shine your eye, and decide what you want to do. You want marry, you want to career. Because after you go, you must prioritize and you must decide which one is more important. If the career is more important, no way. If problem there, the marriage will break up because now that career way they more important to you. So you get to ask yourself which one they more important part. I'm not talking say make you leave your career, make you you know, but you have to know the kind of person where you go deal with. That kind of person, if they support your career before, how that person they react to the thing where you they do before. If the person, be like say the person they indifferent or no they talk anything, you will know what is to come. As soon as you enter your house, it go frustrate you. As soon as you enter your house, it go frustrate you. And then you get the kind of person where right from the start, it go they encourage you. Why not do this? They even advise you how you go better yourself. You know, say, okay, this one get your genuine interest for her. You won't make you succeed. Many men they're very intimidated by
your success.
So they don't like him. So they don't want him. Some men they prefer, I want my wife to sit in the house. When he born pikin, I don't want nanny for my house. Make you face the pikin. So all that one, if you work for bank, forget that one. If you are going to be executive director of bank and forget that side, come and look after your pikin for house. If you're not ready for that one, then that one no go.
So what you talk say, it get time where you got to pack career, keep for one side and face is either the marriage or the career.
No be so.
Okay.
E get as you go dey look to see the person where they ready to support you.
Okay.
If you decide na that career, you must marry the person where you know say go support you. It not be everybody they support.
Yes, but some they deceive us. They'll just come say, "Don't worry, you'll be fine." And after
That's what I said. It get the person. They will not tell you say, no, if we marry, you no go work. He no go tell you that, but you go no say, he know they encourage you. He know they want know say, oh. How was it? How that thing go? Come and gist me. How you handle that thing? Oh, I'm so proud of you. You will know when that person is talking like that. Or if the person tell you, say, we'll leave that one, you know, go work. Now only you. How you want to do them? You go know, say, that is already
flashpoint.
Hey, red light, signal, don't they flash. Say, this one, you know, they no get your time. Even if the thing no they okay, instead of him to say, I know you can do it. I trust you. You are this, you are that. You know, say that person. They're ready to support you.
True.
But if now, so that now those are the little things you want in terms of career and things like that. And then there's the one of I can't no one can because I'm not, it doesn't mean I can't go to club I must be able to no in the night my friends I have to hang out with my friends and
ladies
some people don't know that certain things just have to stop.
Even when you get married.
Yeah.
Even when you get married. I get one friend there. They do her career well. Her husband they work for house, but she they do her career well. She go come out. Sometimes she go come our house. She go come around 1. She go say, okay, make we do that meeting. I get time 1 a.m. How you they take do am? She go back home. Nothing. No. Just one know they talk. One day she just said, that's why I say I day one day just drive me come out. The man not talk.
You don't belleful.
You don't talk.
You don't drink water join the team.
He don't say anything. He just they look at him. One day she just drive her. Because he don't think you know you're coming in at that time you think say you are doing career, you are doing life. But even you safe now, as wife, why you say 1 o'clock? If that the man they come on 1 o'clock, you go ask and say where you go. Even as a woman, you as a woman, you know that kind of thing. So there are certain sacrifices you are just going to have to make. You are no longer an individual.
Yeah.
You have to make compromise. You have to compromise. You know say you things no go just day like before. You're not a single girl anymore. You're a married woman. That means responsibilities come with it. Sacrifices come with it. Especially when pikin is done, they come. You have to start, taking all those aspects into consideration.
Me, I don't
anybody
like
we not ready
because
for
I'm a
that.
baby. I never even reach 1 year into the marriage.
Anybody we not ready for that.
I want you talking. I think I don't hold some from my right hand.
All right, when we start, I asked you to say waiting be the secret, and you say one of the secrets now love. Now, this question, love ever day enough to keep the marriage together?
Definitely not. Many sacrifices go still the way both parties go make now because marriage is a give and take.
Yes.
This person go adjust small. This person go adjust small. You see, one thing where people know they ever realize when they want marry, they say, I like this girl. See as it be. See as it be. Check him out. Oh, see this guy, tall. Not be so I be 27 years ago. I find past like this. So as I change, ego they accept me now.
Of course. Yes.
So now and many things. It's not a one-day journey. Now forever. It be like say people know they think like that. It go be like say okay I want marry now for today. We could do wedding. People go come, but you don't forget say 10 years down the line now this person. 20 years down the line at this person. That's why we'd always tell people, say, before you marry, make sure, say, the person where you marry, forget all the other qualities. Marry your friend.
Very important.
Very, very important.
Because if you wake up if you never marry, for example, if you be guy, if you wake up, something happen for office, the first person where you go call now one of your guys, oh boy, see, as it be, they just give me query yesterday. What did I do, Seth? That person must be your spouse. Say anywhere where you did where something happen, anytime when you see me where I grab phone, now my wife I dey call you. Baby, see as this thing come be, see where I did, see as these people they delay me for here. So once you now don't get that rapport, you go see say even sometimes if my wife come out, if she go need to come back maybe 7, 8, 9. Because we don't dey for phone from 12 where she come out. 1, she don't call me. 12:30, she don't call me. 2:30, she don't call me. See where I dey, see traffic for this. I want quickly go pick. If I sure we go need this thing. Okay, I dey near this supermarket. Make I quickly stop, make I buy this thing. You know where your wife dey. She dey keep you updated. When she come, you know, go ask her and say where they come from now.
And technology don't make a day easier now because if you even say, okay, you know what, I won't even see your face, I dey miss you. Skype.
Exactly.
So you want to see the person, you don't get excuse. So you don't
na long journey. So person go make sure say the person where you want take that journey with, na person where you go fit endure with. No be person where be say after 5 years, you know, the things where you like, it be like say don't they fade. So the marriage don't end with that now.
Yes. All right, me want to ask this one again. You know, the two of them are love. I know nobody feels separate.
Like magnets.
Yes, the way when they talk, their body language, they actually explain what you want to talk. Now the kids, talking about the kids. If they want something, who they actually come meet now? Because they understand when I love each other. Who be the? No. Who be the? Okay, yes, have it.
And you know, say sometimes it will be they will come and meet me.
Okay, mommy.
Because they feel that, you know, but they will say, please talk to daddy. Or they will meet me, then I will say, why don't you go ask your father?
Oh.
Why don't you? You know, because it's very important, make children not think, say, one person they bad, one person they good.
Yes.
You know, so we get to agree most times on things, what they can do and what they cannot do. If he say no, I have to agree and justify that no to them. If I say yes or whatever, and he has to agree and justify, we have to be on the same page at all times. Not say one person say no and the person say, why you not give them now? Why can't you give them? And say, because I don't want to. But that's not good. But that's where there's problem. But we have to agree always so that they know that you not fit use one person against the other person.
Which is
that's the trick there.
Now, apart from the fact that people they look on and say, these people, their marriage now something where me myself I need to grasp from all the things where they do. You now people where people they look up to in terms of music, quality, and nice lyrics. Now, how you go look the musical videos and even the lyrics where they produce now for inside the musical industry? You feel say they all up to standards, and especially the lyrics.
we get content issues for this for this industry. That's the truth.
It's all about the beat.
Because everybody too they concentrate on the beat. So they person go enter studio, one beat go there, one correct beat where one producer don't cook up. Then one person go enter studio, listen to the thing, smoke one small igbo.
Because now their inspiration.
I swear, between the time when the person listen to that music and the time when he finish dropping the lyrics, you know, go past 10 minutes.
All right, my people.
The song go down complete.
On top of that one, the ginger, where we don't know where they come from. We could go on top of this small musical break. We could come back because we got to listen to it till they carry come for us today on top of the show Talk. We they come back.